For any help regarding Python homework help, visit https://www.pythonhomeworkhelp.com/https://www.pythonhomeworkhelp.com. Email support@pythonhomeworkhelp.com, support@pythonhomeworkhelp.com, or call us at +1 678 648 4277. 1. Is each of the following true or false? 1. A greedy algorithm can be used to solve the 0 to 1 knapsack optimization problem. 2. Dynamic programming can be used to solve optimization problems where the size of the space of possible solutions is exponentially large. 3. Dynamic programming can be used to find an approximate solution to an optimization problem, but cannot be used to find a solution that is guaranteed to be optimal. 4. In Python, an instance of a class is an object, but a class itself is not. 5. In Python, a subclass can override a function definition contained in a superclass. 6. Decision trees are always binary. pythonhomeworkhelp.com. Problem 2. Provide code implementing a Python function that meets the specification below. Def find median, L finds median of L. L, a non-empty list of floats, returns. If L has an odd number of elements, returns the median element of L. For example, if L is the list 15.0, 5.3, 18.2, returns 15.0. If L has an even number of elements, returns the average of the two median elements. For example, if L is the list 1.0, 2.0, 3.0, 4.0, returns 2.5. If the list is empty, raises a value error exception. Side effects, none. pythonhomeworkhelp.com. 3. What does the following code print? Class shape, object def __cmp __ s1, s2 return cmp, s1.area, s2.area. Class square, shape def __init __, self, h self.side equals float, h, def area, self return self.side ***, 2 def __str_, self return square with side plus str, self.side. Class circle, shape. Def __init self, radius self.radius equals radius def area, self return 3.14159 ***, self.radius ***, 2, def __str_, self return circle with radius plus str, self.radius. pythonhomeworkhelp.com. Def f L if len L equals 0, return none x equals L 0 for s in L. If s equals x, x equals s, return x. S equals square 4, print s.area, L equals shapes equals 0 circle 1 square for I in range 10 L. Append shapes I%2 I print L 4 printf L. 4. The following two formulas can be used to formalize a 0 to 1 knapsack problem. 1, 2. 4.1. What do each of n, pi, 11, y, and c represent? pythonhomeworkhelp.com. 4.2. Use the formulas, refer to them as Formula 1 and Formula 2, to describe the optimization problem to be solved. 5. Write pseudocode describing merge sort. 6. Consider the two functions specified below that are used to play a guess a number game. Def cmp guess guess assumes that guess is an integer in range, max val. Returns -1 if guess is then the magic number, 0 if it is equal to the magic number, and 1 if it is greater than the magic number. Def find number, max val assumes that max val is a positive integer. Returns a number, such that CMP guess, number, equals 0. Write a Python implementation of find number that guesses the magic number defined by CMP guess. Your program should have the lowest time complexity possible. pythonhomeworkhelp.com. Problem 1 False. 2 True. 3 False. 4 False. 5 True. 6 False. Problem 2 Def find median, L if len, L equals 0, raise value error, empty list, copy equals L, smiley face, copy.sort, if len, copy, %2 equals 1, return copy, len, copy, /2, else, return, copy, len, copy, /2, plus copy, len, copy, /2 to 1, /2 Problem 3 16.0 Circle with radius 4 Circle with radius 8. Problem 4.1. N, total number of items pi, value of item I 11, value is 1 if item I is taken, 0 otherwise. Solution. pythonhomeworkhelp.com. Divide list into left and right subsets of about the same size. Sort each sublist recursively by reapplying merge sort. Merge the returned, sorted, sublists. Problem 6. Def find number, max val assumes that max val is a positive integer. Returns a number, such that CMP guess, number, equals 0 s equals range, 0, max val, returned search, s, 0, lens 1. Problem 5. If the list is of length 0 or 1, then return the list otherwise. Y, weight of item IC, maximum weight allotted. 2. Maximize Formula 1 while obeying the constraint of Formula 2. pythonhomeworkhelp.com. Def search, S, first, last if, last first, 2, if CMP guess, S, first, equals 0, return first else, return last mid equals first plus, last first, /2 if CMP guess, S, mid equals 0, return S, mid if CMP guess, S, mid equals -1, returned search, S, first, mid 1, returned search, S, mid plus 1, last, def CMP guess. Guess assumes that guess is an integer in range, max val. Returns -1 if guess is magic number, 0 if equals 1 if. pythonhomeworkhelp.com